how to buy AI protocol token. So this token came under the symbol of AI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money welcome crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, so before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Now, to be able to buy this token, we will use the Uniswap. Now, first of all, connect your wallet. As you can see here, I will use the MetaMask for that. Now, after that, what you do, just log in to your wallet first to be able to connect it to this website, Uniswap. Now after that, click on connect. Now after you connect your wallet to Uniswap, if you don't see your token here in the bottom, you can go to this token page on CoinMarketCap and you just click here to copy the token address. But remember, the token address is under the base section or base network, sorry. Now go back to Uniswap, click on select token. Now select the base first, as you can see, and now after that, paste the token address in the search bar. So this is our token, as you can see. Now click on it. Click on I don't show me this warning again and click on continue. As you can see, our token, it will show up in the bottom. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I prefer to use the USDT for that, as you can see. Now after that, click on it. And here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. And as you can see, this is how much you will be paid of that, or how much you will be able to receive that token here, as you can see. And now click on swap. So because I don't have any funds, I can see here the swap. And as you can see, after you click on swap, the pop-up will be appearing from your wallet to confirm the buy process. So this is how to buy AI token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.